Okay, here I am back with the LG KS360 doing a review on it. I've used it for, what is today? It's Sunday, so I've had it for a week and 1 day, so 8 days so far. And I love this phone. I am a tech junkie. Let me just show you over here. These some of the phones I have right now. Old Razr, Motorola Q, old LG Dare, water damage, G1 still works, and then a Verizon Razr. So those are some of the phones I have just right now on me. I have a memoir somewhere. So yeah, but I really like this phone. I'll start off with some of the down things about it. The downers, some of the cons. I don't know if you can tell or not, but the self-portrait mirror, it is scratched. And at first, just like after a day, I noticed it like getting a little white right there, like it was rubbing. And now it's not even there, pretty much. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer. And then on the keyboard, this is a nice keyboard, but there is no dedicated space button. Let's see if I can show you here. You have to hit the FN button and then go all the way over to the H and hit that, which, you know, it's not that big of a deal, but it's just a little time consuming. I mean, nothing like a major problem. But the keyboard is really nice. I can type fast on it and haven't had any problems with it. One other con about it is when it has a low battery, which you can see it's about to have a low battery. Speaking of battery life, the battery life is pretty good. I mean, this has held a charge for 2 days, and I haven't texted that much, but I mean, so battery life is pretty good. But whenever it does get a low battery, down to when it starts saying caution low battery, it won't let you make phone calls, send text messages, you know, like that. And that is a major thing for me. I had to return the BlackBerry Storm because of that. So yeah, we'll hope that'll be okay. Battery life shouldn't be an issue. Quick spin around the menus. Here in the menu, you can sort them a couple different ways, I think. I have mine sorted by this way. I'm sorry, I don't really know what it is. But games and apps. Games that come preloaded are Shrek the Third, Sudoku, and Extreme Skateboarding. Let me try and get back farther. Oh, camera's gonna fall. Okay. Can you all see that or not? Probably not. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this in focus. I'll just do it up close. And then there's no applications on it. And there's no, I don't even know what the network profile is. So, yeah. And then go out to call history. That's just, you know, basic. Organizer, you have your calendar and memos. Both very nice. Multimedia, the speakers on this phone are awesome. They're very loud. MP3 player, camera, video camera, FM radio, voice recorder. The FM radio, you have to use the special headphones that come with this phone. If you haven't checked out the unboxing, go check it out. I don't actually have those in there, but yeah. So you have to use those headphones, and I don't really like those headphones, so I can get an adapter. I just haven't yet. Messaging, go ahead and show you that. Typing up a new message, go to new message, and then message, and literally the quick brown fox. The quick brown, misspelled that. Fox jumped over the LAZY sheepdog. Okay, and there it is. That's something I wanted to show you all. But I was typing sheepdog, and somehow it went up to where it was supposed to be fox, and it put the G there. So I'm not sure what I do for that, but let me go ahead and finish that. Dog. So only one mistake, and then the dog. So I mean, not that bad. Cancel editing, and then go back, and then we have my stuff, which is right there. I'm sorry if this is really shaky. I need to find a better setup for this. You have images, sounds, videos, documents, others, and then external memory. I currently have a 4 gig micro SD card in here. Yahoo. I've never used this. It's just like the Yahoo browser, so no need to really look at that. Something kind of annoying when you exit the browser, it always does that for a little while, and there's no way to make it go away. And then we have contacts. I mean, you can search new contacts, all that good stuff. We're back, and then tools. This is like your your alarm clock, calculator, stopwatch, unit converter, and world clock. All nice things. Calculator's pretty nice, but you have to do like that to enter numbers, which is a little inconvenient. O2 active, internet, connectivity, or Bluetooth, wireless, network, USB connection, all that good stuff. Settings, there's tons of settings you can change. The profiles, which is like the sound, which, sorry about that, that's another bad thing. You can't just like, push the volume toggle over here, get this phone on silent. That will just change the ringer volume. So you have to go in here, change the messaging volume, change it to silent, all that stuff. And then date and time, language display, shortcut, call, security, flight mode, power save, reset, memory status, and back to the top. So that has been a pretty short review of my LG KS360, and you can make cool sounds. That's, main selling point for me. No. But yeah, as you can see, I'm using this with T-Mobile. If you can see that or not, I'm sorry. And the touch dialer. That's nice. I mean, I can just dial without even looking at it, really. It has the vibrate, and you can hit that little button up there, and it'll change it to numbers, and you can hold the 2, and that'll be 2. So like if you're doing Goog 411, you can do it like that, which is convenient. And what else can I show you about this phone? On the keyboard, there is the soft key, left and right soft keys. There is the dedicated messaging button. There is if you hold the V pound, if you hold it, it puts the phone in vibrate only mode. Hold it again, general. And hold 1 for voicemail, although that does not work because it's a UK phone. And I mean, the camera, it's pretty decent on this phone. I like it. It's good enough for me anyway. And if you order this phone from ewirelessexperts.com, it'll cost you roughly $200. And I mean, for me, that's a good price. I mean, it is a good price for the phone. It's just a cheaper messaging phone, and that's unlocked. And all the phones they sell are unlocked. So I really like that website. And I'm just trying to think if there's anything else. Well, if you all have questions about this phone, thinking about buying it, or whatever, just want to know any other stuff, message me on YouTube, and I'll reply ASAP. And there was the LG KS360 for you. Oh, and the service on this phone, it gets good service. It's probably about the same as the T-Mobile G1. I don't know if anyone's used that. Here's my unlocked one right here. Not on right now, but yeah. I called T-Mobile one day, and I was like, how does the G1 get such good service compared to all my other phones? And they were like, oh, there's something magical inside of it. So I was like, okay, someone's been, I don't know. But so this phone gets really good service. It gets about the same as that, which is really good. So there you go, YouTube. My review of the LG KS360.